Hey friends, if you're not getting notifications on Slack, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, when Slack is open, click on your profile picture here and you will immediately notice that you have a menu here. Get notifications for all messages and mentions and off. So if it is selected at off, you won't get notifications, and you can also get notifications for all messages or simply mentions and regarding the channel. So this is one solution, but to get these notifications on your system, notifications need to be activated. Like here's the switch for notifications. If I click on it, notifications are gone. If I click on it once again, notifications are back. How do we manage these? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and notifications on the right pane. This switch should be on. If this switch is off, then notifications won't work. And then scroll down, and if you find Slack in this list, make sure to turn on notifications for Slack as well. This is one thing. Now the second option here is do not disturb. If this is on, notifications will be off. Okay, I click on notifications. They will show if I click on it, but I won't just get notifications without asking for it. So this should be off. The first one should be on, the second one should be off. And then there is this thing called focus session. Now the second you start a focus session, all notifications will be turned off. So make sure that that focus session is off. The focus session should not be active. After this, you can check Slack server status, which is rarely down. I've noticed it is excellent. Go to Slack status, slack-status.com, and verify that all of these tick marks should be in green, none should be in red, because red means an outage, but that is very rare. And lastly, if there's a problem with the Slack cache, you can always perform a disk cleanup on your system to do away with the cache file. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Check all of the boxes here, click on OK, and then click on delete files, and it will start deleting all of these files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.